Hi preschool friends, welcome back to Mr. Beam's Early Ed channel. Tonight we're going to be looking at handwriting our numerals 0 through 10. So this first video we're going to focus on numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So come on over and we'll take a look at our four usual shapes that we use to make most of our letters. We're going to use these shapes, the big line, big curve, little curve, to make the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to start with the number 1. And number 1 is super easy. Starts at the top corner and goes big line down, number 1. Big line down, number 1. So when you write it, it looks like this. Big line down, number 1. When we go to make our number 2, we use a big curve that starts at the top corner and comes down, and a little line at the bottom. Number 2. Big curve, little line, number 2. So when we write it, it looks like this. Big curve, little line, number 2. To make our number 3, we're going to use 2 little curves, just like that. Little curve, little curve. You say it. Little curve, number 3. So when we write it, it looks like this. Little curve, number 3. Next, we're going to practice our number 4. 4 has 3 steps, 3 lines, 2 little lines and 1 big line. So we start at the top corner and come down with a little line. Then we go across with a little line, and then down with a big line. I'm going to show you that again. So we start with a little line down at the top, little line across, and big line down, number 4. So when we write it, it looks like this. Little line down, little line across, big line down, number 4. The last number we're going to make with our shapes is the number 5. And to make the number 5, we start with a little line down. Then we do a little curve and a little line across at the top. So Mr. Beam always sings a song with this one, and it goes like this. Down and around, put his cap on. Down and around, put his cap on, so that when you write it, it looks like this. Down and around, put his cap on. I also say this. Head, belly, hat. Either way works. Number 5. And in the next video we will be doing other numbers that we're just going to practice writing. We won't be using our shapes. But stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.